So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to play Geometry Dash, and I promise I'm not new, but I just never played in camera. So yeah, today we are going to play, and yeah. Okay, so we are going to play let's play Poltergeist. Should I play Poltergeist? Okay, let's just play Poltergeist. Okay. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm really good. I'm very good. Don't die, please don't die. Get the coin, run. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, now stop jumping. Okay, what am I even saying, bro? Why am I giving myself a tutorial? Oh my god. I don't want to die. I really don't want to die. Why did it? Lock in. No, lock in. Oh my god. I hate this so much. Why did I die in this? Can someone tell me, please? Ah! What am I doing? Oh. Okay. Finally, took me long enough. Oh my gosh, why did it take so long? Took me long enough, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do more levels, so it will be very bad. It will take a very long time, and yeah. I don't know what I will do now. Should I play back on track? I'm not good at dry out. So I just what do back on track. go. I completed one try. Let's go. I don't care. Now we're going to play dry out, which I know I'm not gonna be able to complete. Bro, stupid notification! Also, if I die one more time, I'm gonna not play dry out when I die. Oh my god! Okay, I'm done. I'm literally done. Oh my god! Can I do bases? Please. Just telling you, I don't think I'm gonna beat you. Bro! Hello, Jessica. Oh my gosh, my head is hurting. I'm just better to dash. Oh my god. I am the spider dash. Good. I am not I'm going to play the tower. Yeah. Let me play the oh shit. Okay, if I just go, I don't need the freaking coin. You stupid coin, you made me die. Checkpointing. Oh, I survived. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm surviving. Now go. Run. Run. Okay, now where am I? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm dead. I'm dead at this part, bro. I can never beat this freaking part. This is too hard. I don't even know how I beat it. Okay, I think I have to lock in. I think I have to talk, so yeah. Shit, this is too hard. Get the coin. Get the other coin. Why did I jump? Jump now, bro. What am I doing? I'ma play the seller. Wait, why am I over here, bro? Okay, let's just play the tower. I don't even care right now. Easy, tower is very easy, and I just, oh my gosh. Boom, boom.
I see you.
Okay. Oh my god, the secret hollow. I'm very bad at it, so I'm not gonna play it. I'm gonna play the cellar with them a little bit better.
Well met.
Well, next. Come. Coin. Boom, and I just fell. Oh my gosh. I'm struggling so much in this stupid tower. At least I got 2 of the coins. Now boom. Boom. Get a coin. Bro. Now boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yeah, no. Let's go. Now jump. Oh, what? Anyways.
You shouldn't be here.
Well met.
Oh my god.
You shouldn't be here.
Well met.
Probably my last attempt. Bro, just... Oh my god. I'm actually struggling at this point, not gonna lie. How did I die? Alright. The secret hollow that I'm very bad at, and I just missed 2 of the coins. And now I just missed another coin. Why am I missing so much coin? And I just died. Told you I'm very bad at secret hollow. You know what? retry. I'm very good at retry, but in the UFO part, I just like when I'm in the ship part, I'm like spamming. So in the UFO part, I was like spamming. So in the UFO part, I just also accidentally start spamming, and yeah, I die. But this time, that's not going to happen. At least probably. Yeah, it won't. Now let me go. Oh shit. Oh, hello, monster. Now this part, very easy. Okay. Now boom, now boom. Up. Now up again. Now down, now up. Oh shit. That was close. Now a UFO part. This one is auto. What did I say? Auto. What? No, no! Okay. I'm not doing this again. So now sonar. What is sonar? Okay. Don't mind me dying, okay? Don't mind me. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, finally not dying. Okay, boom, boom. Bro, why do I keep jumping? Don't jump, yeah. Good. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Very, very good. Now go there, go there. I'm not getting the coin, I don't care. Now go middle. Ooh. That was no. Outer space. I'm probably very bad at this. I remember playing it once and I'm still bad. I just died here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I flew away. Oh my god. Can you stop flying away? Boom, 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 down. Boom, 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 down. Boom, 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 down. Boom, boom, down. Jump, don't jump once and because I'm not doing this. No, what is this? The night. Oh shit. I'm bad at this, but I will try, I guess. Yippee. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Oh, this is my. Bro, whatever. Dark paradise. Ooh, this one's cool. This one's very cool, bro. Oh, I didn't even see that spike. Lol. I keep forgetting there's a spike over there. Oh my gosh. Why did I just jump on the spike? Anyways, and I died in the spike again. I'm leaving. Okay, bloodbath. I'm bad at this. I only got 1% and I know I'm gonna get it again. Yeah. 1%. I'm bad at this too much. Too much bad. Too much bad. Too much bad. Too much bad. Okay. Promises. This one's kind of cool. Okay, boom. Why did I die? Okay. Oh shit. Bro. Bro.